morning, friends. Today we are cover the topic of Delirium poison, one of the most important topic in the forensic medicine, particularly in toxicology, practical aspect as well as spotting as far as concerned. So let's start Delirium poisons. So what are the Delirium poisons? In toxicology, the one is Datura, Atropa, Belladonna. Third one is cannabis indica, and fourth one is cocaine. So these are the Delirium poisons which produce some toxic effect like delirium. So that's why called Delirium poisons. So first is Datura poisoning. Datura having mainly two types of varieties. One is Datura fastuosa, other one is Stramonium. Datura fastuosa is having two types of plant. That one is alba, Datura alba, and second is Datura niger. Datura alba and niger is mainly seen over the plain land areas of India, South Asia, growing all over India commonly. Whereas Datura stramonium, which is commonly found in high altitude area like Himalayan mountains. Datura fastuosa, alba and niger. Datura alba having a white color flower, whereas niger having a purple color flowers. These are the two varieties commonly seen in India. This is the picture of fruits of Datura. The fruits is spherical, having sharp spines, and contains about 500 seeds. Flowers are bale shaped. The whole plant is poisonous, but fruit and seeds are more poisonous. Seeds are kidney shaped, resembling to chili seeds, dark brownish in color, odorless and bitter. These are the pictures of embryo of the Datura seeds. You can see the first picture in dark black color, that is the Datura seeds. This is the embryo on longitudinal sections. The embryo seems like inverted curve shape, which is inverted at hilum. Whereas in capsicum seeds, that is the number like 6, figure 6. The curve is inside the hilum. Second picture is the seeds of Datura and capsicum. So what are the active principles? The main active principles is hyoscine, hyoscyamine, and traces of atropine. What are the mechanisms of action? The Datura is mainly stimulate the CVS, CNS, RS, and then depress CNS, RS and leads to coma and death due to commonly cardiorespiratory arrest. So what are the signs and symptoms? You know all about the many names like these. So you can sometimes ask the question, the name 9 Ds or 8 Ds of Datura. These are the Ds of Datura: dermatitis, dry hot skin, dryness of mouth and throat, dysphagia, difficulty in talking, that is dysarthria, dilated pupils, diplopia, photophobia, conjunctivitis, difficulty in urinations, delirium, drowsiness, difficulty in thought process, drunkenness like state, delusion, hallucinations, deep sleep and coma, and last death. So these are the D's of Datura. Remember the D's of this Datura. This is frequently asked in your exams and practical vivas and spotting and stuff. These are the difference of Datura seeds and chili seeds. So we already talked about Datura seeds is larger and thicker than chili seeds. Datura seeds are kidney shape, dark yellow brown color. One more is a double edge margin, whereas in chili seeds it is single, having single edge and sharp. Datura seeds are odorless, bitter in taste, whereas chili seeds are pungent in smell and as well as taste. So embryo is curved outward at hilum in Datura seeds, but in curved inward in chili seeds. Datura is also called Jimson's wild, corn apple, devil's trumpet, corn picker's pupil, or gardener's pupil. So, in gardener's pupil, the person working in a garden or a farm area or corn field area. So, Datura dust is accidentally exposed to eyes and leads to dilatation of pupil and conjunctivitis. So that is the gardeners of pupil. One more terminology is related to Datura is Carphologia, that is flocculation. What is that? Carphologia means the person is restlessness, purposelessness, movement, and the characteristic features of Carphologia is pulling of imaginary threads, threading the imaginary needles, picking at bedclothes. These are the typical characteristic features of Datura poisoning. The person is excited, noisy, talkative, tries to run away from the bed, and then he goes into the deep sleep and coma. The death is particularly due to respiratory depressions. So these are the Carphologia. Datura is diagnosed by pilocarpine test and mydriatic test. Pilocarpine test is instillation of pilocarpine in the person's eye, and after half an hour, the person pupils is not constricted. That the dilated pupil is not constricted. So that there is suggestive of Datura poisoning. Mydriatic test. In mydriatic test, person's urine sample is instilled into the mice or rabbit, which leads to immediate dilatation of pupil. So you can diagnose by these methods. Fatal dose is 100 to 150 seeds, and fatal period is 1 to 2 days. So what are the treatment options? First or almost is decontamination by stomach wash, by KMNO4. Emetics, gastric lavage. Physiostigmine is a drug of choice, antidote for Datura poisoning. You can use the pilocarpine. Bromides and barbiturates if person is restlessness, anxious, purgative, and the symptomatic treatment. So what are the findings of postmortem examination? During postmortem examination, you can find the features like asphyxial death, congestion, mucosa, irritation of mucosa, GI mucosa, and lung congestion, brain congestion. But you can find the seeds of Datura if ingested, because the seeds are more resistant to putrefaction. So after a long time, you can find the seeds of Datura. Rest are nothing particular. What are the medico-legal significance? Datura is mainly used in India, particularly for robbery or theft or kidnapping or facilitating rape. So that's why it is also called a road poison, railway poison. You can find the person robbed in railway train or bus stop, etc. Datura is also used as an abortifacient. Sometimes some persons used as an aphrodisiac property or love filter, increase the desire of sex. Criminal responsibility. If person voluntarily ingests Datura, then the person is criminal responsible. But accidentally a person is ingested the datura, then the criminal responsibility is not in datura poisoning. So these are the medical legal significance of Atropa belladonna. That is the also called deadly nightshade. Same as datura fastuosa. It contains hyoscine, hyoscimine, and traces of atropine. These are the pictures of Atropa belladonna. Now, the second one is cannabis indica. Cannabis, it is a according to WHO report in 2018 that cannabis is one of the most consumed drug abuse. What? It is also called Indian hemp, cannabis sativa. The street names are hash, pot, grass, dope, weed, marijuana or marijuana. These are the photographs of cannabis plant. The cultivation is restricted in India. Active principles are resins and the cannabinol, that is the tetrahydrocannabidiol. This is the main important resins of the cannabis. From the cannabis, various preparations are made and used. One of them is bhang, which is you already know or consume at particular occasions like Shivratri, Holi. Medicinal purpose also it is used. Also known as Siddhi. It is prepared from dried leaves or fruits, and it is a mildest form. Contains 15% of active principles and mild stimulating, having pleasure giving effects. Second preparation is majun. It is the sweet prepared from the bark. The use is particularly for sexual desire or appetite increaser. So these are the majuns. Other one is ganja. Ganja is prepared from flower tops of female plants. It has a typical odor. Odor is like a burnt rope. So it is mixed in smoked as a cigarettes. So that is also called a pipe, hookah, cigarettes, joints. It contains 15 to 25% of active principles. The other one is charas. It is a more potent form of the cannabis. It is also known as hashish. It's prepared from leaves and stems. Contains 25 to 40% of active principles. Usually smoke with tobacco and alcohol. So these are the charas. So what are the signs and symptoms of cannabis? Particularly cannabis is taken in small doses, moderate doses and higher doses. Small doses leads to symptoms like euphoria, disorientation, increased subjectivity, increased sexual desire, passivity. In moderate dose, the thought process and memories are impaired, lack of attention, feeling of isolation. And higher doses because it leads to a disturbed motor and sensory functions. Persons having increased sensation, like a person feels more noise, brighter colors. So these are the signs and symptoms of cannabis. Psychiatric changes, level-less, clarity, euphoria, relaxations are increased, sleepiness, laughing, increased sexual desire, irrelevant talking, thought process, memory loss, dispersonalization, altered behavior, distress, discomfort, fear, feeling of failures, or sometimes suicidal tendencies. In chronic abuse of cannabis, there is a motivational syndrome. In amotivational syndrome, it is a lack of interest, social withdrawal. Second one is hashish insanity. that is mania, sometimes presence of schizophrenia, psychosis, and run amok. Run amok is a person is deliriously running and killing the person in his or her path, and after killing, he killed himself. So there are the sequence of first one is depression, then delirious symptom like run amok, and after depression again, and then he may commit a suicide. Run amok. Third one is flashback phenomenon. After 2 to 3 months of withdrawal of cannabis, person feel the symptoms like same as he consumed the cannabis, like symptoms appear. So these are the flashback symptoms. The flashback symptoms are phenomena are commonly seen with LSD. The fourth one is cannabis hyperemesis. Sometimes cannabis chronic abusers leads to the hyperemesis, vomiting and gastrointestinal disturbance. So these are the symptoms of chronic cannabis abuse. Sometimes physical changes like increased appetite, nausea, vomiting, headache, dizziness, restlessness, tremors, tachycardia, increased urination or delirious type. Fatal dose is for charas, it is 2 gram per kg of body weight. For ganja, it is 8 gram, and bhang, it is 10 gram per kilogram of body weight. THC is 30 milligram per kg if IV injected. Fatal period is not sure. Rarely it may leads to fatality because it may. So how will you diagnose the cannabis consumption? By its smell, like a burnt rope like smell, urine taste, a thin layer chromatography, you can diagnose. For treatment, no any specific antidote is for cannabis. So treatment accordingly symptomatic. First is decontamination by emetics or gastric lavage, glucose, naloxone, thiamine, assurance, and psychotherapy. So what are the medico-legal significance? First is run amok dependency, commonly used by fakirs and sadhus. Sometimes crime also happen by these abusers. So now third one is cocaine. Cocaine is also known as coke, snow, Cadillac or white lady. C for cocaine, and E for heroin. So you can remember like this. The cocaine is white lady. It is particularly obtained from leaves of Erythroxylum coca. The leaves contain 0.5 to 1% of cocaine. So these are the This is the pictures of cocaine plant. It is colorless, odorless, crystalline powder having bitter taste. It is mainly alkaloids. So preparations are procaine, butacaine, dibucaine. It is a powerful stimulant of CNS for short period and followed by depressants. So first is the stimulant effect, and then after it is depressant. It desensitizes the terminal nerve endings and leads to peripheral vasoconstriction. So how will you take the cocaine? By nasal mucosa IV injection, by smoking, snorting. This is a sniffing of cocaine powder. In first photograph you can see the sniffing is looks like this, first and second. Third one is injectable and inhaled, and you can swallow also. Absorption and mechanism of action is it is rapidly absorbed from the GI tract, metabolized in a liver and excreted through the kidney. Mainly two types of actions of cocaine into the body. One is the sympathomimetic-like actions, and second one is anesthetic. The sympathomimetic-like action, it's block the reuptake of adrenaline, noradrenaline, dopamine, and leads to increased temperature, heart rate, blood pressure, and from the peripheral vasoconstriction, sweating, mydriasis, CNS excitation, involuntary movements increased. By the anesthetic actions, it blocks the sodium channel. So these are the signs and symptoms. Its effects disappear within 1 hour. So signs and symptoms are in two stages, stage of excitement and stage of depressions. In stage of excitement, persons having dryness in mouth, dysphagia, delirium, dilated pupils, deep rapid respirations, feeling of well-being, loss of depressions, talkativeness, restlessness, loss of fatigue, hypertension, cyanosis, headache, sweating, hyperthermia, tremors, convulsions, hallucinations, exaggerated reflexes, numbness, tingling, sensation at the local site. In stage of depression, feeble respiration, convulsions, vascular collapse, and lastly death. Fatal dose is 1 gram and fatal period is few minutes to few hours. Treatment is decontamination. Blood pressure is commonly rise in acute condition, so you can use amyl nitrate by inhalation, thiamine, naloxone. For CNS anxiety or anxious symptoms, you can use barbiturates, respiratory and cardiovascular support, and symptomatic accordingly. In postmortem findings, you can find the not particular findings, but you can find like asphyxial signs, congestion, and cyanosis. In chronic poisoning is also known as cocainism, cocainophagia, cocainomania. In chronic poison, GIT disturbance, rhinitis, sinusitis, ulceration, sometimes palatal ulceration, or septal perforation due to snorting or sniffing, bronchitis, person having tachycardia and tachypnea, loss of interest in family, isolation, social isolation, loss of weight, delirium, hallucination, insanity, and peripheral gangrene due to peripheral vascular vasoconstriction. One more finding is cocaine bugs, that is also called Magnum symptoms. Cocaine bugs is a tactile, specifically tactile hallucination. It feelings like gripping under the skin, sensation of under the skin. So person feel the gripping sensation and excoriate the skin, and sometimes ulceration is found. So it is also seen in acute effects in Body-Packard syndrome. In Body-Packard syndrome, a person particularly smuggle the cocaine. So he swallow the cocaine pockets and smuggle the cocaine pockets from the country to another country or another state to another state. So sometimes if these pockets are ruptured, so release of cocaine into the GI tract and rapidly absorb and increase the blood pressure, sudden increase of blood pressure. So person having intracranial hemorrhage or died due to cardiovascular collapse. So in Body-Packard syndrome, it is also used. What are the medico-legal significance? If cocaine powder is used with baking soda, it sounds like crack, so it is also called crack. If it is used with heroin for IV injection, that is called spitballs. It is used as an aphrodisiac, increase sexual desire or sexual act or delayed orgasm. Male sometimes uses it for local application on the penis. Sometimes prostitutes use it by injecting into the vagina for the Vasoconstriction leads to increased the orgasm. So these are the code names of crack, pasta, bazooka, spitballs. These are the street names of cocaine. So this is a Dalerian poisons. Thank you.